CustomFit.ai is the go-to solution for hyper-personalization without the need for code changes. With its origin deeply rooted in catering to the needs of businesses, this platform offers a comprehensive understanding of your website visitors, their behavior, past interactions, and interests, and turns the regular traffic into valuable leads. Welcome to another interesting conversation on Follow Startups. I'm your host, Ankita Pahwa, and today we are chatting with Ashwin Kumar, who's an alumni of Bits Pilani and the co-founder of CustomFit.ai, which is a platform that's truly redefining the possibilities for online marketeers. Ashwin's journey and experience are a testament to his commitment to innovation and excellence. Hi, Ashwin. Welcome to Follow Startups.
Thanks, Angita. Thanks a lot. Thanks for inviting us to your podcast series. I hope really, my journey and my, sharing my experience will definitely, I feel that a little bit can help, okay, the audience. Okay.
So, Ashwin, to kick things off, could you tell us a bit about your professional background and also share what CustomFit.ai has to offer?
Yeah, basically, if you see, in a nutshell, I used to be a code geek, as I mentioned, Bits Millennials with more than 20 plus years of experience, worked for multiple early stage startups in the past. It used to be all, building the scalable platform systems, software systems, right? That's where I met my other co-founder, Shoaib, in my last, venture, Blue Jeans Network, where I joined as a founding team member, and then we started together our journey of custom fit in a nutshell, right? Even before going how it started, I want to just let you know what is custom fit, right? So custom fit is a no-code website personalization and A/B testing platform, right? Especially built for the marketers. In sense, like say, moment a visitor lands onto your website, right? Now assume that your website is intelligent enough to understand like who the visitor is, right? Who sent him onto the website, like whether he is coming onto your website for a very first time or a repeat visitor, right? If he's a repeat visitor, what was he doing on the website during the previous visits, where he was spending time, okay, bunch of the things, right? Now, in certain cases, say in specifically in B2B thing, it can even go to such an extent that say your website can auto detect the visitor's company details. Okay, what is this company? What segment they're into? How big is this company? What is the financial status? Bunch of the things, right? Using all this information, now assume that the content of the website changes on the fly. As if okay, it is trying to convince that look, what you're looking for is exactly what we are providing,
Wow.
right? Like say there is a marketer or sales guy sitting right behind my laptop screen, and he knows
Hmm.
okay how to convince this particular person, to showcase the right value propositions and take them to the journey of conversion as a from the visitor to your customer, right? So that's what Custom Fit provides in sense like it's a completely no code platform. Like as a marketer, you can literally go and customize the content on the website for different segment of audience and showcase the right variations there, right? So yeah,
Amazing.
that's the little bit about custom page. Yeah.
Amazing. I mean, the ability to optimize website content for every visitor, it's such a powerful concept. And it greatly impacts customer retention and engagement without which you just can't do today. So can you explain how Custom Fit manages to provide such hyper personalized experiences and what are some of the underlying AI or data driven mechanisms that drives this feature?
Perfect. Like basically, if you see the major, the center or the corona, the core of the custom fit is the ease of use, right? Like whatever maybe the technology on which the website is built, whether it's Webflow, Shopify, WordPress, Wix, literally anything, right? Like I, as a marketer, I don't know okay how to go on, how to go on code, right? But with the custom fit thing, I can literally go and change, like as if you are using a Canva kind of thing. I can
Hmm.
like the moment you click, it's a small Chrome extension, okay? So
Yeah.
when you click on that extension, the page will turn into editable, like it will as if think in a way that you are editing a Word document, right? I can literally go and like, hide this element, bring this thing over here, okay, change this thing, change, and also a lot of things you can do. And when you save it, it creates a new variant altogether, right? So there is no code changes happened anyway. The code is anyways coming from your server, and that literally creates a new variant. And then you can go and add the audience segment. Like I want to showcase this particular variant for the people coming from region Mumbai of age group 18 to 30 who was coming from this particular ad, right? So only those people can see that variant, and then can also do these kind of a lot of A/B testing thing, split the traffic and see okay what is working, what is not, and all those things, right? So as I mentioned, it's just an ease of use. I know
Yeah.
it's pretty simple, smart Chrome plugin. So that's the thing, right? And the other thing what you
Amazing.
asked is that how the AI layer, right?
Yeah.
So, like basically, if you see what we have built with the custom fit is a strong AI recommendation engine. You just go and tell CustomFit that I am today, starting a campaign on Instagram, putting this ad for the people of age group 18 to 30 in Bangalore, working class women. Okay, and this is my product page. I mean, this is my landing page thing, right? Now, custom fit will, if you just go and tell this thing to custom fit thing, it starts recommending you right from the what should be the product name, okay, what should be the description for this segment of the audience, what you should mention in the benefits, what kind of testimony you need to highlight, what's the value, like all those things comes, and that you can create various variations there. Internally, it uses ChatGPT, custom fit ML, a couple of the other things to get you the cream of the recommendations, right? It's not just the ability to go and customize the like I'm not giving you the ability to just go and change the content or play with the content, but also what to write or what to come up, right? That's give you the complete connection of the dots over there, okay? So that you have the entire control on the website based on okay whom you are targeting, what it's like you are trying to say that what they want to see is always okay based on okay what you want to showcase to them, right? So yeah, that's the thing overall.
Walk us through the types of businesses you work with, like who are the main beneficiaries of your services?
Yeah, so basically, predominantly there are two segments whom okay we really like our ICP kind of thing, or even the people like the companies who can benefit from the platform like customer, right? One side we are targeting the D2C companies. There are some of the very big brands of the D2C users custom fit because they like if you see any of these companies, 60 to 70% of the traffic which they are getting onto the website today, it's a paid traffic, right?
Yeah.
So you are spending a lot of money as a marketer and spending a lot of money to bring the visitors onto the website, right? It's very, very no-brainer pitch for them. Like, look, your website is a kind of leaky bucket. You're doing all these efforts to bring the visitors, and now okay, they are leaking out like from your website, right? Because they are not trying to find okay, it's like convincing enough okay to go and explore more, right?
Hmm.
So that's one side of the audience. And other side of the audience is the B2B companies. We have some of the big companies like the ChargeBee uses custom fit, uses custom fit and all, right? It's all, they also like basically we, have this kind of the data enrichment internally, which can connect with their various systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, Clearweight, Kickfire and all. That get you a universal truth of the data. Like we can go and say, I want to showcase, this particular, I want to showcase my website page in this way for the people who are coming from, from this particular ad, or say who are coming from, of a startup background, a completely different pitch altogether. Or say, enterprise, when I say, when a company coming from edutech background onto your website, the entire pitch of your landing page can turn as if this is the platform and used by the edutech companies only, period. Right. So like they can have that kind of the flexibility over there, right? So basically, predominantly we target D2C side, to a much extent, and also we have, some of the very big B2B clients also using the
So,
platform.
speaking of them, would you like to share the names of some of the existing customers in these markets and perhaps walk us through the outcomes that they have achieved with CustomFit.ai? I mean, it's always a delight to hear about customer experiences.
Yes, like when the D2C side, we have the companies like, the Capiva using our platform, okay, Bella Vita using our platform, like IDM group of banks. We have the companies like Conscious Chemist, a couple of the German companies like De Natura and all, okay, they all use custom fit, right? So on the B2B side, we have the companies like, as I mentioned, ChargeBee, Pixelu, Class Plus, they all use custom fit, right? So, and also the conversion rate differs from based on, okay, what kind of the campaigns you are running at, right? So like somewhere okay, you can say that 5 to 20% of the conversion jump you see based on the use cases what you're looking. Like for example, I will tell you one thing. One of our
Hmm.
clients, just they added the testimony. Like basically, say when I go onto the product page, like this is one of the B2C company. So like their entire product page starts with a strong testimony with the customer picture, okay, with the customer name and rating, like 5,000 4-star reviews and a strong, statement with it. Then actually the product images and all those things starts, right? That itself got them okay, almost 9% jump in the conversions, right? So like, and also, okay, says like for the case of the B2B case, like the ChargeBee, they start seeing a 40% jump in the conversions, okay, based on okay, how they are targeting the audience out. Like they segregate based on, like people coming from, edtech, like basically B2B, it's a different page, B2C, it's a different page, startup, it's a different page, enterprise, it's a different page, right? So all those things.
Amazing. So, are you currently operating exclusively in India, or do some of the customers that you mentioned are also from other countries?
No, we have it's a kind of global operation. So we started from India, I think, because it's kind of founders reach is great in India, like with all the network and investor network setup and all here. Right? And now we are focusing much toward the Europe and US side of the market. We have across like USA, Europe, and also Australian side. Okay, we have the customers.
So where is your office located in India?
It's a Bangalore. We are Bangalore based company.
You're a Bangalore-based company. Okay. And Ashwin, in terms of growth stages, where would you position CustomFit.ai currently? What do you think?
No, currently we are in the early traction stage, like basically cross just the early traction thing, okay, towards the growth stage, where like if I can point a dot in my graph, like it's like just past that early traction thing, okay, now we are in the kind of early growth stage.
So can you share some business numbers or metrics that can showcase how well CustomFit has been doing?
Yeah, I mean, basically, I mean, not able to share the numbers, but I will use certain suggestions, like basically, what we went through, right? So basically, yeah, we are kind of a, well-funded and basically, a series, I mean, a seed stage company,
Hmm.
funded by, Java Capital, Pastchuk, Upsparks, Let's Venture, like, and one other. And we raised, a kind of 250K kind of the thing, just, that's sitting now and good that okay we are kind of break even now like we kind of got into a kind of profitable path and that's where okay we are not worrying much about our runway and all at this stage but yeah like going further okay we are we will sometime again the next year Q1 Q2 we are looking for our next round right so that's the stage then.
So Ashwin, from a business perspective, if I'm considering integrating CustomFit.ai into my marketing strategy, pricing will be a very significant factor in my decision making. And given the diverse range of businesses that you serve, each with different level of website traffic, can you tell us about your revenue and pricing strategy?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, you're almost bang on there because since actually, that's like our unit of measurement is the monthly unique visitor. That's the measurement what I says. That's based on the thing, we have of the pricing. So we follow a very closed pricing model because we consider various. It's a kind of very customized thing. What we in sense like what feature, what functionalities which you need. Okay, that kind of a stack. Okay, we have built our entire platform as a Lego board kind of the thing. And based on the requirements, okay, we give the SaaS plan like basically the stack pricing and all right. So, but the thing is, okay, what we advise to our customers until unless you have at least okay 10K monthly unique to 15K monthly unique visitor traffic, right? So that's where the platforms like Custom will make sense, right? So say that if you're just started company, okay, it's less than okay 1,000, not even 1K kind of the traffic in your thing, right? So at that time, okay, your focus has to be on how to bring the traffic onto the website, right? Rather than okay, getting onto the like optimization because there's no traffic, there's no point in optimizing that thing, right? So that's where actually what we suggest, even actually we start getting UK companies who are in the very, very early stages. What we tell you until unless you're trying to do ABM kind of the campaign wherein you're trying to very account based marketing, that I want to target only this 20 accounts, this month kind of thing. I will focus on all the reach outs, whether it's email, LinkedIn messages, okay, whatever the thing, right? So then, okay, you can go for the. Otherwise, okay, we suggest the companies at least 10 to 15K is a right point to start with, right?
Yeah.
So, and also, like there is a difference in the B2B and D2C side. In D2C side, it's a kind of a, like it's a kind of, it's a traffic heavy thing when compared to the B2B thing, right? So there it comes with what kind of integrations we support. Like for example, customer natively integrates with the platform for the B2B, like HubSpot, Salesforce, a few of the other like Clearweight, Kickfire, and all. And in case of D2C side, okay, we are live on Shopify. I think it's one-click integration. It takes care about everything. Okay, you don't need to worry about how to integrate onboard everything in class, right? So yeah, it's a different model what we follow based on what the feature functionalities what we give it. Like for example, in case of B2 D2C, they look out for the revenue goals, and B2B it looks all these kind of the click goals, okay, page view goals and all, right? So yeah, there's a difference, and that's the reason. Okay, we are kind of very closed on the pricing thing. Yeah, so that's really helping us against of directly putting our slots, I mean, the pricing plans over there.
Okay. And you know what's next is knowing about your team, particularly your co-founder. You mentioned Shoaib, right? So like tell us about him.
Yeah.
How does he complement the team and what background does he brings to the table?
Yes, I mean, basically, Shoaib is my ex-colleague. I mean, basically, we both were at Blue Jeans Network. I don't know
Oh,
whether I mentioned. Like, basically, Blue Jeans is a video conferencing platform premium video conferencing platform that got acquired by Verizon. Where I joined Beijing as a founding team member, employee number four. All right, so I got Shoaib like in my team. He's also from Bitsplani, and he joined straight out of college to my team. And when I started to, start my journey, so, as an entrepreneur, right? That's where I found Shoaib is a very good fit because we too used to do a lot of hackathons. Okay, we used to work on some out of box ideas, as if it's an entrepreneur inside the Blue Jeans X company to add a lot of value over there, right? So that's the reason I found out, okay, Shoaib will be a good fit. And that's one of the one of the best decisions, okay, till date I have taken because the way the experience what I have and energy what shape can brought onto the table, right? It's like it's a kind of very balancing thing, right? So now Shoaib takes care of the entire tech side, and I shifted my entire role towards the marketing and sales. So that okay, like so that the technology can very well because a lot of things we are trying to do, feature functionalities and all. Always it's kind of evolving thing, right? And the other side, okay, now like since I'm focused on the marketing and sales, where I'm trying to build up my marketing team, slowly getting the sales pipeline build up and all, right? So yeah, that's how.
So with the both of you, the two college mates leading the way. So tell us, how are the different departments organized within your company?
Yeah, I mean, basically, it's like we are under 15 member team, around 15 member team. Predominantly, like, we have, like from the development side, it's kind of 50% thing. And rest 25%, okay, it goes with the marketing thing, 25-30% marketing. And okay, there is a small in the sales side, right? So, small team we have in the marketing, it's a 3 to 4 member team, like doing very, very good job. Like we won the Golden Kitty Award on Product Hunt
Wow.
because like, it's just one small team was able to get us that thing, right? So that gave us a lot of confidence that even our biggest of biggest competitors or in any of our friends, right? So they didn't went till that level, right? So that's where we realized, okay, it's all about how we effectively put it together as a team. Right. So yeah, it's like and also like for us, like, almost the attrition is very very less in sense like almost near to zero thing. The
Hmm.
entire team is very what I say like it's like it's pretty well connected and everybody runs their own show in sense like so tech they they are their own company in altogether kind of thing, marketing their own company altogether. They have their own like roles very very well defined, and they know their strategies well.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations on the award. And number two, tell me, does anyone who's watching this video get a chance to be a part of your team? I mean, are you hiring? Are you looking for any specific roles or positions at this point of time?
So yeah, we are kind of having few of the marketing positions open. Like okay, we are looking for a few of the like basically a very entry level marketers can help us because a lot of things okay we are have on the board, and we
Hmm.
also work on very crazy ideas. Like if you see last week, or one of my teammate came up with this thing that okay we'll create a band video of the entire company, right? So some of those thoughts, right? So it's it's like basically yeah we know that okay it's like you can't bond with the traditional way of marketing, right? So yeah we all like that's like yeah we kind of having few of the position open the entry level marketing thing, but yeah, so earlier we had because of these kind of the economic thing has changed since last 2-3 quarters, right? We are a bit cautious in getting like getting the proper folks on the floor.
Fair enough. Okay, so well, guys, here's your chance to apply. So, Ashwin, we are almost nearing the end of our conversation, and I think it's the perfect time to get a glimpse of what's on the horizon for CustomFit.ai in the next 12 months. So, tell us about that. Are there any exciting updates, plans, or innovations in the pipeline?
Yes, yes, a lot of things actually we have planned. Like we are completely building our level 2 of the analytical engine, where it helps you not just the personalizing or A/B testing that thing out. It also will help you in understanding what to personalize, when to personalize, whom to personalize, or when to test, what to test, and all those things, right? So the entire thing will help you, visualize of okay, fine, okay, see the test might have failed over here. Okay, so I thought that okay, it'll give me this much of conversion, but not happened. But it'll go deep and try to show you that hey, see, there is a small segment of audience. Like
Yeah.
among them, okay, it's a very huge conversion thing, right? So these are all the things. And then from the AI side, okay, we are like we are also from the D2C side, we are working deeply with the Shopify integrations and even the WooCommerce integrations and all those things. They're making it one click, right? And as I was talking, like a lot of the functionalities with respect to the no code thing which we are trying to bring in, all about audience segmentation. Like say that I want to directly integrate the segments what I already have on the Google Analytics or Google BigQuery thing, right? So that seamlessly can transform onto the customer, right? Some of these things which help you out in defining the audience segment very well, understanding. Like for example, even certain things which will be coming with the V2 thing. Like say that like say that okay, my website. Like say that okay, I you are on my website, and
Yeah.
now I get to know that okay, if Ankita goes to my pricing page, right, there is a 90% chance that she will drop out. Now, until unless okay, now instead of pricing thing, now showcase her the case study buttons. All the pricing thing will change to case study thing. So now only when you go through that route, then the pricing will be revealed, right? So these are all the things, so like a true AI driven, which helps you in understanding based on the steps what you're taking on the website, right? What the journey you need to take.
So it's been a pleasure talking to you, Ashwin.
Yeah.
And since we are also planning to promote this video widely, are there any particular areas where CustomFit.ai is seeking support, whether through partnerships, industry connections, or collaborations? So anything, this is your call for support.
Perfect. Yeah. Basically, I see there's a very huge opportunity, with the partnering of a couple of things. Like it can be, influencer marketing thing, or even the marketing agencies. We see there is a huge void now because the one of the A/B testing platform, Google Optimize, they shut down. Like basically they did a sunset last, I guess you can September end. Now, like the marketers and even the people in the A/B testing side, they need a platform which can be easy, convenient, to create the experiences and see the results, which is more accurate, right? So yeah, we started a program very recently, a couple of weeks back called Custom Fit Partnership Program, CFPP, targeting, basically partnering with the marketing agencies, where we can work closely with them, helping their clients with our platform, right? So that's one of the ask thing. And also say if you're a D2C company, feel free to get back to us. I see there's a huge opportunity, right? So like, it's like as I mentioned, as a marketer, I have all sort of freedom to come up with the ads, creatives, narratives, everything, right? Now, the moment I get them onto the website, it's completely out of control because I don't have anything control over it, right? So people who landed onto your product page, they might have seen what I saw in your ad, what you told me over there, and what you're showing me over, is that same or not? Right now with the custom fit, you as a marketer, you can go and create the variations experience in matter of minutes, right? So yeah, feel free to reach out to us. We can also, we'll also provide a 14-day, engaged pilot. Okay, it's a free thing. Then our team will help you out in understanding a couple of the use cases. Help you out in adding that thing out there. So making it live and going through the result and all those things, right? So yeah, because there's a huge potential sitting. If you're a D2C company, feel free to reach out to us. And B2B company, there's a good set of engagement and conversions you can bring in, right? So yeah,
Great.
I'm reachable at Ashwin at CustomFit.ai.
This has been so wonderful, Ashwin. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. And now, without any further ado, let's move on to our last round, which is a rapid fire round. Quick five questions.
Sure, sure.
Okay, question number one. Is there a book that you would like to recommend that has greatly influenced your journey?
There's this one book, I guess it's pretty well known, Hard Thing About Hard Things, right? So that's one thing. And second thing is, okay, the lean startup is the one.
Amazing. Okay, question number two. Which is your go-to productivity tool or app that you find most helpful in your daily work?
Oh, one thing is definitely Slack. So that's there. And these days, okay, it has changed into WhatsApp. So we kind of switched from Slack to WhatsApp.
Awesome. Question number three. Can you share a fun fact about you that most people don't know yet?
I really like dancing, but I never told anyone. So it's a kind of a weapon I unleash.
Okay, and question number four. What is your favorite quote or mantra that you live by?
One thing is like, basically this is one of the quote, I really like, take it to the this thing. Um, I mean, basically this is the thing, right? Like, if you see there is one, this is the quote by Napoleon Bonaparte, where virtue of any soldier, right? It's not about, their ability to fight, their strength and all. It's all about how you endure the fatigue, right? So how you fight the fatigue you think today so that okay you can strike tomorrow, right?
Again, last but not the least, what is your one piece of advice for the young audience watching this?
Yeah, I mean, my one piece of advice is like the startup journey is not a it's not a sprint thing. It's a marathon, right? So always, okay, come up with that mind and a lot of things which you will explore yourself, which not thought about that thing, right? So it's definitely a challenging thing, but you will love that challenge, okay? Because if you are that kind of the person who embraces all the kind of the struggle thing, or okay, and crossing all those things to get to a stage, with that kind of the intent and intensity thing, right? So you'll definitely love this thing.
Absolutely. Well, Ashwin, thank you so much. And I hope this was worthy of your time. But before I let you go, I want you to make a wish for CustomFit.ai that you hope comes true in the near future.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like any entrepreneur you ask, right? So the biggest wish is like their platform has to be the easiest, named as the easiest like A/B testing and personalization platform, which marketers should love and talk about that thing, right? So I want my wish to be, it's not just okay, they love, they need to talk in their circle that okay, this is the best tool when it comes to the testing, A/B testing and personalization.
Well, here's to CustomFit.ai, making the online world feel like home for every business. Cheers to personalized journeys and better connection. All the very best, Ashwin.
Thanks a lot.
If you would like to stay updated with the latest developments and business insights at CustomFit.ai, you can follow their channel on follow.us/startups. And to feature your startup, you can write to me at ankita.pahava@follow.us. We would love to hear your story. Thanks for watching.